Yung kay Duterte, secret. And it was shown to him nung inaaresto na siya. Tapos itong kay Bato, para nang may press release. Ano, what is it the same procedure?
Actually, I think the difference really is how it's being implemented by our domestic authorities. Kasi same lang ng procedure sa ICC. An arrest warrant is a sealed application process. So walang nakakaalam except yung pretrial chamber at the office of the prosecutor. At kung i-transmit na siya, yung mga concerned law enforcement authorities of that state. Now, ang naging issue kasi, ang sinabi kasi ng spokesperson, there's no public arrest warrant. So may nuance yung kanyang sagot, no public. In fact, I think some journalists asked, so is there a secret arrest warrant? So sabi na lang ng spokesperson, we cannot we cannot guess on that, we cannot speculate on that. So siguro mga implications yan kasi talagang style ng ICC. Mas gusto nila na na-implement yung sealed arrest warrant kesa i-broadcast nila at malaman ng subject of the arrest warrant. Kaya I think yun yung nangyari talaga kay Mr. Duterte. Talagang na-implement siya same day na na-receive at na-surrender nga siya sa ICC. Ngunit siguro may learning curve na natutunan si Senator Bato.
So, is it our fault? Is it the fault ng local authorities?
I think so, na hindi naging efficient kasi there was a period of time, about 6 months, almost 6 months din na hindi siya na-implement. That should have been the period. And that was the expectation ng mga victims. Kahit na hindi nila alam na may confirmed arrest warrant. Expectation nila, kung may mga ICC arrest warrant, i-implement ng madalian. Kagaya po ng kay Mr. Duterte na efficiently implemented. Dapat hindi iba ang pag-implement sa kay Mr. Duterte at kay Senator Bato. Dapat pareho lang.
Oo. And yung kay Bato, in-announce ng ombudsman na merong warrant. Kaya siya nawala 6 months from 6 months ago.
Mga November po 'yon. Oo, mga November po 'yon. Oo.
And I don't know why ombudsman would know. Kasi hindi naman siya involved, di ba?
Well, this is a very interesting country of ours.